Yo, you know how you'll meet a girl will give you attention, she'll bump into you, you'll see her in class. Maybe she says, oh, I like your shoes today. And all of a sudden, she activated something in you. Bro, you can't stop thinking about this girl. You go home, you're thinking about her. You're going to sleep, you're thinking about her. You check her Instagram every day. You become obsessed over any girl that gives you attention. And I get it, bro. I'm going to show you exactly why this is happening to you and how to stop it, bro. Let's hop into this. 1, you just don't get girls. Desperation just doesn't suit you, man. You are a man in need. Like you're going through a drought period right now. So even a 2 looks like a 10, and any girl that gives you a little bit of attention, your mind starts running off. 2, you don't value yourself. The problem with most guys is because you're not working on yourself, investing in yourself, putting effort in yourself, you don't see the value in yourself, which is why I preach so much. Yo, you gotta be leveling up on all aspects of life. One of the easiest ones to level up on is with your personal style. I've said it once and over again. Look, personal development is a long road. It ain't gonna happen overnight. But the one thing that can happen overnight is how you dress, how you put your fits together. This is why you should start investing in a good wardrobe and stuff that makes you look attractive and stuff that makes you feel good, because that confidence will be palpable. It is noticeable by the next day. Shoot. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hook it up, bro. See, I think one of the best accessories you can buy today that'll affect how you look tomorrow, they're sunglasses. Like you can't argue that. You just can't. They're the only accessory that will structure your face and make it look better. So with our company, J Black, I'm gonna hook it up with the 2 classic glasses. Glasses that you'll buy today and they'll never go out of style for the next 5 years because they've been in style for 100 years. One of them will be the Club Masters. Bro, the Club Masters, and again, these are a blue light form, but I suggest you buy the sunglass form, especially for summer. Bro, these will never go out of style. Like, you don't even got to worry about it. And the second pair are our aviators. Kind of, if you've watched the movie Top Gun, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like, every badass dude has a pair of aviators. It's that gold frame sunglass. Bro, you're going to look like a badass. Let's be real. These 2 pairs, they're never going to go out of style. So you invest in them today. You know what? If you buy those 2 pairs of sunglasses, which I'm going to have linked down below, I'm going to give you 2 free pairs of glasses. Did you hear that? I'm going to give you 2 free pairs of glasses if you buy the Club Masters and our Generals, which are our aviators. And I'm going to give you 2 trendy styles. That way you have 2 classic pair of frames and 2 trendy pair of frames that you can wear all the time with multiple outfits, so you got something for every occasion. I'm going to give you our Laurents. These, bro, some of our best sellers. These things sold out last time. We just restocked. Yo, come on, man. Come on. And then I'm going to give you our Arianas also. Just super trendy. Something to change up the vibe. Like, switch it up on them. Keep them on their toes. Bro, look at that thick Italian acetate. We cut no corners. We cut no corners, bro. This is for 24 hours only, meaning the dudes that watch this tomorrow, I'm sorry, right? I've never given away 2 free pairs of glasses like that, and it's free shipping and free returns. Yeah, it's probably not gonna last. Like, I don't even think we have that many Laurents left. So it is first come, first serve. If you guys wanna check out that limited time offer, it'll be linked down below. 3, you're thinking with your penis, bro. The poor dude is lonely, right? The dude just wants to come out and play sometime. And when you're in that position, it's gonna start making you think weird things like you're in love with a complete stranger that's not even paying you no attention. Which takes me to number 4. You think she has no flaws. Again, because you're thinking irrationally with your second head, you think this girl is perfect. You put this girl on a pedestal as if she has no flaws. So in your mind, you fall more and more and more and more in love with her because you think, man, there's nobody else like her. But this takes me to number 5. You're watching too much porn. You have so many damn fantasies up here from so much pornography you have watched. It is your only interaction with the opposite sex that when in the real world, a real woman from the opposite sex touches you or gives you any sort of attention, your mind starts racing. You start falling in love with the idea of this woman, but never actually falling in love with her because you don't actually know her. Which finally brings us to number 6. You're stalking her too much. Bro, think about this. What happens in a real relationship? I don't know if you've had one yet, but if you have had one, when you start spending so much time with this person, you fall in love with them, right? Because it's like they become your other half. All you want to do is spend time with them. Well, if you're constantly, even though she's not spending time with you, you are spending time with a virtual version of her. You're looking at her Snap, at her Instagram. You see that she's traveling here and going there and went to this party. You're up to date with everything she's doing. Her Twitter, her Instagram, her Snapchat. You're up to date with everything. You're gonna start falling in love with her from your side because you're falling in love with the virtual version of her while she has no idea you even exist. So now you are obsessed with her and you're putting all this pressure on her, which has you simping, has you acting up, all because you're stalking her. You need to stop it. You need to snap out of it, bro.